Hi guys, Daniel here and welcome back to another one of my Hisense TV how-to videos, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn your TV on if you don't have your remote, if you've lost it or the batteries have failed. So on this particular model, behind the little power LED which is red, there's a little clear button underneath. You tap it once for the TV to come on. Might take a few seconds for it to start up. And then once the TV's on, press and hold it for a couple of seconds, this menu will appear on the left and it goes if you don't use it, so just hold it down and you tap once to go through the menu options, so like volume, and you hold it, long press it to turn things up and down, tap it once, long press it to turn the volume down, etc. And it works with the inputs as well. You can even power off, just go through like that. So the power off would be just hold it down. Thanks for watching, I hope that helps.